Yet Goa finds some mention in your book. Why did you think that was important?
One of the chapters in the book is about the mistakes that Rahul Gandhi has made. And one of those mistakes was in Goa in 2017 March. Congress wins 17 seats out of 40. With independents, they could have formed a government. We need a vibrant opposition. One of the weaknesses of our democracy at this time is the opposition is not strong enough. Otherwise, you might as well call yourself an elected autocracy. The BJP must take every state into confidence. Why is the BJP losing state elections? If Modi is not there, even in Goa, you hold an election today in Goa. If Modi is not a factor, BJP will not get the same percentage of vote.
Why do you think the Prime Minister could neutralize this fear of failing economy and still create, as you said, that trust and win with a bigger majority?
I think that is largely or to a substantial extent also to do with the quality of the opposition. See, people in a democracy choose. Modi is on one side, who is on the other. Now, Modi versus Rahul Gandhi for the Indian middle class is a no contest. Indira Gandhi, Indian economy was growing at only 3% in the 1970s. That did not stop Indira Gandhi from winning 3 elections, 67, 71 and again in 80. She lost because of emergency. Indian voters, let's be honest, don't vote on economy unless inflation goes into double digits. See, Congress's problem was in 2014, inflation was reaching double digits and growth was low. Now inflation is controlled.
You also mentioned about Himanta, Biswa Sharma and Vijai Sardesai together. From where did this error in judgment come? From that upbringing of privilege or lack of connect with the grassroots?
See, both Himanta Biswa Sharma in Assam and Vijai Sardesai in Goa, they are political animals. Rahul Gandhi seems for some reason not to like these political animals. But you see, in politics you need political animals. Has joined BJP and made it the #1 party of Northeast. And Vijai Sardesai, all said and done, became minister, made the BJP government. I am not saying that Vijay, what he did is right. Then they will look for other places. Himanta Biswa Sharma wanted to be chief minister. Vijay wanted to be chief minister. Congress has to accommodate all these people. You cannot only have your friends, your father's friends, your cronies around you, many of whom are non-political people.